What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Romeo Duncombe-Clarke, and I am a portrait photographer based in Tampa, Florida. And today I'm going to give you guys a quick tip on how you can go about cleaning up the whites of your subject's eyes. First of all, we're going to start off by selecting or creating a new layer in Photoshop, going over to the blend mode, changing it to color, coming over here to your color picker, and making sure that your color is it's a nice gray, light gray, not too heavy. Okay, select our brush tool, then we're going to go up to our flow. Make sure that our flow is about at 3%. And once that is all done, we're going to just paint over the areas that we're trying to eradicate the red discoloration. Of course, I'm just showing you the technique, but for a final product, I would be more in depth in removing a lot of the harsh things that seem to be floating in the eyes before I apply this retouching technique, just to make sure that the overall success of it is that much amazing. Check it out. That's before and that's after. Before, after. Let's have another piece right here. Check out this one right here. Notice this coloration on the teeth. I don't know if it's makeup. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure my client doesn't want that. So here we're gonna take the same process. We're going to use the same gray, and we're gonna gently just brush over the infected area, and just keep brushing it, taking your time. Taking your time. If you guys have any suggestions as to anything better or a better technique, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I'm very interested. Anything that helps to speed up the workflow, I'm always down for it. Looks pretty good. Okay, so here's the color. Here's before. And here's the after. Before, after. So, like I said, this is a very quick tip for you guys that want to improve your workflow with your portraits. Please feel free to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.